Dear student, my name is Rishi Jain and soon I am going to launch Bhavishya Academy online video classes for Indian economy subject. It will helpful in civil service exam, especially for IAS and the other PCS exams. Friends, I have been teaching Indian economy since last few years and I interacted a lot of students. Then I came to conclusion that Indian economy is a challenging subject for every aspirant who is preparing for civil service. Because the student do not know what are the fundamental and basics of Indian economy and what are the current of Indian economy and how do they relate with the basics with the current affairs. And for that, they depend most of the sources, that is NCERT and lot of books and some newspapers also, and also the reputed class materials available in the market. But if you go to the last 3 years question paper, then you will find that these sources are not enough to attempt all the questions of Indian economy. Friends, I also found that year by year IAS syllabus has been increasing and this is most suitable for the Indian economy subject, where any economic word used by the Honorable Prime Minister and the Union Finance Minister will become the question in IAS exam in the next year. Friends, lots of international organizations are there which are issued several reports, and if any report which are connected with Indian economy, our question paper setter will have the close eye on that report. Friends, I did a lot of analysis. I did a lot of analysis of the last few year questions, and I found that if you depend on these sources, then it is very easy for you to attempt all the questions of Indian economy. And these sources are NCERT class 12, and in NCERT class 12, you are not supposed to read all the books. You have to read these particular chapters, that is national income, currency and banking, balance of payment, budget and exchange rate. And the another most important source is PIB of Government of India. Next is the newspaper on daily basis. You can study the Hindu, either Hindu or the Business Standard also. And the most important that I am always stressing, that the student must read the past 20-year questions and he should or she should analyze himself or herself about the pattern of UPSC. And also the e-book released by the Government of India and the budget and economic survey and also the India yearbook. Student, I also know this, that you have limited span of time. And within that time span, you have to justify with all the subject. So it is very difficult for you to focus only on one subject for studying or for touching or studying all the corner of the stones. Now the question arises, why do you choose the Bhavishya Academy online classes if a lot of online classes are available in the market? How does these online classes beneficial to you for attempting the Indian economic questions in civil service exam? Then student, my answer is that if you will go to the link www.bhavishyaacademy.com, then you will find that in the last year 2017, 19 questions were asked from Indian economy, and out of that 16 questions were directly came from my class notes. Students, I am teaching the Indian economy in a very lucid and in a very balanced approach. I am teaching the economics with traditional as well as the current approach. So it is very convenient for all of you to attempt all the question in civil service exams. For that, I have classified the whole module into 15 topics, and these topics contain at least 3 to 4 videos. When you will register yourself in Bhavishya Academy online classes, then you will able to get these videos. And when you will go to all the videos of one topic, then after viewing or watching these videos, you would be able to make the class notes also. Then after that, you will have an assignment also. And that assignment you will do by yourself. And after that, there will be a short video where I will discuss the assignment with you. Student, that will make your self-assessment also. Student, I am not assuring you that I will, by connecting you with me, I will make you an IAS officer. But I am trying my best to solve your Indian economy concept, and I want to abolish the fear of Indian economy from your mind, that make you more confident in the civil service exam. And at last, I will say only that work hard, because there is no substitute for hard work. And you know, hard work pays always. और लास्ट में बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि सुबह उदास होगी, शाम उदास होगी, सफ़ेद कपड़ों में लिपटी मेरी लाश होगी, ऐ दफनाने वाले मुझे दफनाना वहाँ जहाँ रोज़ यूपीएससी से मुलाकात होगी. Thank you so much for watching this video.